dear friends, welcome back to Medico Travelogram. So today I came with a requested video. So I thought to do what to carry during traveling. So this is a requested video. Actually I already made this video, okay, but that was in Malayalam language. But one guy said me, please do it again in English. So I thought, okay, I will do. So I made a list. See, for you people, I made the list. So let's start the video. I made like what to carry or things to carry while going abroad or for foreign students. So abroad bag packaging, okay. So we already know that we have two kinds of bags, right? While traveling we can carry two kinds of bag with us. One is check-in luggage and the another is the carrying bag, carrying luggage or baggage, whatever it is. Okay, so first of all I am gonna talk to you about the check-in luggage. Okay, check-in baggage. What are the things you have to keep with you? What are the things you can't keep in the check-in luggage? So I'm gonna tell you. Just talk about the kilograms, how many kilograms you can bring with you. Or you can keep with you. So if I am talking about Air Arabia, you can bring 30 kilogram in the check-in luggage and 7 kg by hand. Okay, so instead of these you can pay extra amount around 3k or more than 3.5k you can pay, and you can take 10 kg extra also. So total 40 kg and by hand 7 kg. Okay, so whenever you book the ticket you will get 30 kg and 7 kg. If you want more you can pay extra money and you can take additional 10 kg with you. And if I am talking about Gulf Air, Gulf Air provide 23 kg. But for students there is like you can show your student ID card, so they will give additional 23 kg. So total 46 you can bring with you, and additional and by hand 7 kg. So this is the weight kilograms you can bring with you, okay, or you can keep with you. So now I am gonna talk about check-in luggage. Check-in luggage, first I consider that a winter season and a summer season, like that I made columns. Like so during the winter season, Georgia is gonna start here's winter season is gonna start in Georgia. So during winter season you must keep a winter jacket, because first time you are coming here. So after coming here the next day you can't go and buy winter jacket, right? So just keep one winter jacket, because when you come here maybe you will feel more cold at night or whenever it is, so you will feel cold. So keep one winter jacket. If you are coming during November, December, January, February, February, guys, it's windy outside, that's why this much noise is coming. Okay, it's windy outside. So just keep one winter jacket, okay, at least one winter jacket you just keep. And I will tell you that you have to keep thermals. Thermals you can buy from jockey shop, anywhere, from anywhere in the mall. I think you will get thermals. At least keep 2 pairs of thermals, okay, and one pair of boots, then winter socks or anything. Boots also, if you are coming, wear the boots. Like I think if you like I'm telling that if you are coming during the winter season, then wear the boots, so that weight won't be there in luggage. And then if you are buying the t-shirts and all, you can buy full sleeve t-shirts, like you know, right? If the students who are coming from very north part of the India, they know the cold, so they know what kind of dresses you have to wear during winter season. So I am telling, for winter season, full sleeve t-shirts and everything you can buy and bring with you. and pants, jeans, normal thing. So winter jackets, not winter jacket, only one winter jacket. After coming here, maybe if you want one more, you can buy from here. Okay. Thermals 2 pair needed. Boots is needed. Boots are needed, and winter socks. You have to keep gloves also. Okay, winter gloves or winter cap, winter gloves, and thermals, jackets, boots. If you want winter socks. It's very difficult to face summer season in Georgia because it's sunny and too warm. We can't wear dresses, like we feel suffocated because of sweating, every time sweating, tiredness, everything. Every time we feel thirsty because temperature will go around 40-45 degree also. So we can't wear dress also, full covered dress we can't wear. Jeans also, it's very difficult to wear. So you can wear shorts, sleeveless tops, like that. You can wear cotton dresses, you can wear like that. And common, you can bring bed sheets. If you are staying in hostel or if you are staying in apartment, you can bring bed sheets. Okay, bed sheets, pillow cover, bed sheet, at least one you can bring, pillow cover also at least one you can bring. After that, after coming here, you can buy everything. And yeah, if you want, you can keep any traditional outfit from wherever you are coming, which state I don't know, but you can keep traditional outfit because maybe some programs will happen here, and you can wear your traditional outfit here. So please keep traditional outfit also. Okay, about the snacks. So I hope you get an idea about what kind of clothes you can bring during winter and also during summer. Winter season, woolen type clothes bring, please bring woolen type clothes. Okay. And summer season, just cotton or sleeveless tops, shorts, like that you bring. Okay. And snacks, all kind of snacks, whatever you want, mixtures, chips, murkas, whatever you want, bring. The snacks which we can keep for long, that kind of snacks also bring with you. Okay, please bring with you, because if you are staying in hostel, but you will not get your kind of food from hostel or apartment also. We every day we can't make whatever we need, we can't make. So keep some snacks, so whenever you feel, whenever you have that cravings, you can eat. So keep the snacks, kaju katli or whatever it is. Now I'm gonna tell you that pickles you can keep. For non-veg people, you can bring fish pickle, beef pickle, and for veg, mango pickle, lemon pickle, whatever. Because North Indians, I saw that they will eat pickles and chapati with pickle, I saw. So you can eat like that also. Keep pickles. Okay, it will help you in some moments. And yeah, from Kerala, you can Kerala students who are coming from Kerala, you can keep beef pickle also, fish pickle, and whatever the pickles, like non-veg kind of pickles, whatever you know, you can bring and keep for so long. And whenever you wanna eat with and keep your hair oils with you. Okay. And if you want, keep your favorite body lotion or scrub or face wash or whatever it is, keep with you. And notebooks, like big notebooks, right? We from India, in India we can buy big notebooks, but here it's rarely I see big notebooks. So if you want, you can bring, or otherwise after coming here, you can buy bundle of A4 paper, A4 sheets. Okay, so it is of 14 lari. You can buy, I think, 500 sheets you will get. I'm keeping that bundle only. So you can keep for A4 sheets, and normally students use A4 sheets here. And textbook, if you want anatomy, you can bring BD Chaurasia's anatomy textbook, and other textbooks you will get as like e-textbook, electronic textbook, because they will give according to their syllabus. So yeah, whatever the your private things, like oil or shampoo or body scrub, body lotion, whatever your things you can keep with you. And I am telling you, if boys or girls, like, you can bring more undergarments also, because here undergarments are very costly, very costly. Vessels, cooker, 1 liter cooker, pressure cooker. So if you want to make khichdi, if you want to make rice, mixed rice, whatever, you can fatafat you can make. Okay, cooker is important. For if you wanna make aloo paratha also, you have to boil the potato, right? So for everything cooker is needed. And for south also, like for kadala and everything, chola, chana, whatever it is, dal, everything we can make with cooker. And one saucepan, chapati tawa from, for south students, dosha tawa, north people, chapati tawa, like that. And if you are staying in apartment, bring all kind of masalas. You will never gonna get the masalas what you are getting in India. So bring masalas. Masalas like biryani masala or chole masala, chana masala, paneer masala, rajma masala, everything. Then what? Garam masala, everything you can bring. And for south students, because mostly we are getting north Indian masalas here, maybe some people will not like. Okay, so for south students, you can also bring your masalas from your house, because I know I am using masalas, right? North Indian masalas also. So I never seen any similarity in South Indian masala or North Indian masala. So I am telling, whatever the masalas you need, keep with you. Okay, and some items you don't have to keep. Don't keep in your check-in luggage. What are the things? That is electronic equipments. Okay, laptop, power bank, phone, charger, these all kinds of things you don't keep in check-in luggage. It's too windy, guys. And don't keep your credit card, cash, ornaments in the check-in luggage. Okay, and also your important documents also never ever keep in the check-in luggage. And matchbox, like that, never ever keep. About carrying a baggage. Okay, so carrying baggage, you know that 7 kg. So you can bring, if you want, you can bring snacks, little snacks you can eat during your flight traveling, and maybe 1 or 2 pair of dress you can keep in it. And documents, your documents, important documents, passport you have to keep. And offer letter, admission letter, confirmation letter, whatever the things, every official documents keep in your hand. Okay, so, and nowadays wear mask and everything, keep sanitizer, everything. Then don't keep any chemicals. Okay, keep your cash, documents, and dress snacks, whatever you want, keep, but no chemical. So guys, now I turn on the light. I was talking about by hand, right? Don't keep any chemicals with you, okay? And keep your cash, documents, if you wanna keep a pair of dresses, snacks, and you can bring your laptop in your laptop bag. This is not included in the 7 kg, okay? Laptop is different, like you can bring in your laptop bag. So laptop, your phone, charger, adapter, or power bank, everything keep, okay, keep with you, not in checking luggage. So 7 kg is different, laptop bag is different. So guys, this much is the video. I hope this video will help you. If you have any doubts, you can message me on my Insta page Medico Travelogram, or you can comment here, okay? You can comment below this video. So guys, bye bye, take care.